Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. Today we're going to be making an ebook cover mock-up for an iPhone, a laptop, an ebook, a physical book as well. These are pretty helpful because they just make your work look more professional. It just helps people see it like a visual and they are able to interpret it more. I remember doing this back in 2021 when I launched my first ever ebook for fitness, and I remember making over $1,000 in my first year alone, and I was selling my ebook at $18, and people really loved the professionalism that it came with. And the good thing is this is all for free, so you just like do this for free. It makes your work look very neat, very like you really put thought into it, and makes it like just like look neat in general, right? So you can use this for work projects, for your personal projects, like if you're making an ebook for anything. So I'm gonna hop on and show you how to do this. Okay, so first you're going to be logged on to your Canva account, and then you can see the new design for Canva. It looks really nice, how they changed the interface. We have all these templates over here. We have some more over here: website, document, whiteboard, photo, collage, flyer, brochure, all of this. So it's pretty easy. Just like come and click on whatever you want and you're good to go. So for me, I'm gonna go to, this is what we used to use before, which you can still use. It's one of the sizes for an ebook, which is US letter document. It's just here. And so this is one of the sizes for ebooks which is commonly used and which I used for my ebook as well. I'm going to show you the other way to make them. So we have all of these templates. They also have multiple pages as well. Just try and look for the free versions and the ones that are more of like an ebook cover. Like these ones with frames are not so much like ebook cover, so you're gonna spend a lot of time trying to, you know, make a cover out of that. So the easier way out is to just, let me just remove this and say ebook cover, and you're going to be seeing more of like an ebook in reality. So yeah, now these look like ebooks, don't they? So we have all of this. We have time management, and I love the way they look. They look pretty done. You can generally just pick this. You can see like this one has multiple pages, you know, so you can just like pick on this and work on this in its entirety if you want your document to have 12 pages. Let me try use this one. Oh, we can't use that template. No worries, we'll just find another one. So what I was saying is you can just like use this one from scratch to make your ebook in its entirety. It's not even about the cover, it's everything. So let me try use this one and say customize this template. I think the era we are going into, it's very important for you to have an extra source of income is selling your e-products, you know, like ebooks online. They really bring in that extra cash. And I don't know whether you'd love to see how you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad, which is free. So I really like this one. You can see all these pages that are here. So what you do is pretty much just like customize to your things, the fonts, your names, your pictures, what you're selling. But today that is not the main agenda. We are here to see how you can transform this blank first page of your ebook into like an iPhone mockup. So first you want to start by clicking on the page and say share. You're going to go to where it says download, and make sure you download it as a PNG because it's a picture. For the ebook you download as a PDF. And then you want to say download the current page or just page 1. Say done, download. So that should just download that to you. And sometimes you don't want to sell that to people, so you want to sell something more presentable. Go to where we have mockups, and I'm going to show you some of the mockups that there is. So I'm going to click on iPhone, and see here you have this iPhone mockups, so many of them. Most of the time you pick like the blank one without a lot of other things outside, like this one. So let me just show you how to get that. I'm gonna add a page, and then I can just use the one I had picked and drop it here. So this is going to be what I'm going to be showing to people and sending to people. Don't worry about the white space, I'll show you how to remove that. And then you go to not photos, you go to uploads, and then you want to upload the picture that we got. There we go. So you just like place it on the phone and it should like save it to the iPhone mockup in itself. It does this itself. It's so cool. So there we go. Just click on the entire box, and this is really important, and just select the color green. That is how we're going to remove all the white space so that we just have the iPhone showing. Then you want to go to share, and we are also going to download the second page as an image. Just make sure you select the second page alone, download, and then once it's downloaded, you're going to go to your browser and search for remove background BG. This is a free website, which is mainly what I use. So once you're there, you're going to go to where it says upload image, and then you're going to upload the image of your the iPhone one, right? So just upload image, and again with AI it recognizes the background and it deletes it for you. So now you have like this clean looking page, this clean looking image of a phone with your ebook cover on it, which is really so cool. And then you can use that to send to your friends and pin to your websites to sell. So let's try another mockup. Go to where we have where was it, apps, and then you go to where we have mockups, and then let's see what else we can get. Maybe I can say a book. So this is really cool because it shows you it as a book. I don't have a freestanding one, but I do have this one. So let me just click on this, drag it to my green space, and this one really transforms it and it looks really nice. So just make sure it's big enough. We're trying to occupy all the space as we can. Again, we go to my uploads, my book cover, the image we uploaded, and just give it a few seconds. Look at that. How cool is that? Genuinely, how cool is that? Let's try another book. Which book do we try? I think this one looks really nice. It's kind of like open. Just trying to adjust the sizes over here. Again, go to my uploads, get my cover, and tap. Give it a few. Look at that. How cool is that? These all look really nice. And then you just use the same process. You save it as an image, just this page, and then you go to remove background, and you're able to remove all the greenery. Then you can use that for your website to sell, to your Instagram, everywhere where you want to sell your ebook. And that is it. That is how easy it is to make an ebook mockup for your websites and to get in that extra cash. I hope you guys liked this video. It's generally so easy, and I'll see you guys next time. Please make sure you subscribe. We're trying to hit 5K, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.